Question for today. Is Boss Suite just another digital marketing thing? Is Boss Suite digital marketing and that's it? Well, there's one way to find out. We can just go on the inside and take a look. So let's go ahead
Boss
and
Suite,
take a look.
Module Zero, the things you got to do before you even start thinking about money, how to properly decide which income stream is best for you. Because there are many income streams. Second module is the welcome, or welcoming you in. Then you're going to meet the creators who exactly made the Boss Suite. Then there is the affiliate module, how to set up the Boss Suite affiliate program. So you might be thinking, oh, there it is. See there, reselling a course. But wait. Let's keep scrolling. You'll see some of the other modules: MindSuite, the systems, the bot. There's a particular bot. The QueenPen bot basically answers any marketing question you got. And I mean any marketing question you got. It's actually a custom GPT that's set up. And all you do is just put in your question and it's going to answer it for you. So that's something interesting there. Yeah, that is digital marketing. How to make your face and live recordings. This is all the different live calls and different live recording calls that are being done over different income streams that I'm about to show you, different tech calls. You'll always have a review. And let's see, I wanted to show you also how to make your first 5 to 10K as a Boss Suite affiliate. This is step-by-step instructions that are going to show you how to make your 5 to 10K as a Boss Suite affiliate. If you're promoting as affiliate, well, this is going to give you the step-by-step methods and instructions, and it's pretty often this training is done by the creator herself, Madison Hatton. So yeah, that is reselling a thing, but that's only if you choose to, because if you keep scrolling, you're going to see, you're going to learn TikTok, yeah, even TikTok lives, specifically Facebook, yeah, how to sell without receipts, that's still selling. How to use Chat GPT, that's interesting. How to use Canva. How to properly do your content. Storytelling strategies. Let's go to the next page. These are all kind of different modules you have here. Thinking like a boss. Train your brain. Integrating businesses. Creating photos. UGC brand deals revamped. The UGC is, of course, unit generated content. Did you guys know that you could get paid for making a video about some product without even posting it to YouTube or any other social platform, and a company will just pay you even though you didn't even post it anywhere? Did you know that was possible? Well, there's so many doing it inside of Boss Suite. Amazon reviews. Get paid for reviewing different products on Amazon. Amazon KDP. You can write your own book. People are winning and making a killing, making coloring books and putting them on Amazon. Amazon KDP could be your first entryway to getting that book out that you've always wanted to do. And we also have, you couple that with the Chat GPT and some of the other AI modules, and you could spit out a book by the end of the day. Letter writing. That's another interesting way, intriguing way of making money. You don't have to show your face at all, and it doesn't deal with selling or anything like that. These are just different ways that you can make money online. So my point is how to be a virtual assistant for different companies. I have a cousin whose wife, she does this. She basically does this, answering questions for different companies. But she works from her computer and a headset, right from home, right from her home. I mean, there's many people doing this type of stuff. Etsy, Faceless Content Bank. We give you all kind of content that you can use, just in case you don't have any ideas or don't quite know what you can post as content. We give you content. We give you the rights to use it how you want to use it. Credit, how to get credit, how to make money using Pinterest. There's so many different ways. So I say this just to let you know, Boss Suite is not just digital marketing course. Boss Suite is a full income generation course. That's what it is. It's income generation methods. Different ways you can use to make money online, some of which don't involve you showing your face or doing any selling at all. This is what you need. Going over to moderndayincome.com so you can get started today. And I also got a neat little bonus I'll explain to you toward the end of this video. Stay focused.
No, it's not just a digital marketing training, although it does have digital marketing courses inside. What it is a full suite of courses to educate you on different ways of generating income online. That's what it is. It's a full academy. It's like a college. It's like a gigantuan school for grown folks to learn how to make income using the internet. And not just by selling, as you just saw, not just by selling, although we go over that as well. That's what the Boss Suite is. With the Boss Suite, you're going to learn 20 plus and ever growing income methods. And you need to come on in right now. And the best place to do that is moderndayincome.com. I got a bonus too, because there's one method that Boss Suite doesn't cover. And that method has to do with developing software without you even having to know how to code, without you having to know how to program if you don't even know how to program a DVD player, you can still create software. Yeah, I'm going to give you access to a special webinar that's going to show you just how easy it is to do in today's world, the modern world. But you can only get that when you come through me. I'll give you access to it at moderndayincome.com once you invest in the Boss Suite. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right. And always remember, stay focused.